Meet Kristen Kinch. She's the artist behind Doodle Bird Designs and loves to paint and doodle in her home studio in Minnesota. Her walls are covered with ideas and inspiration for her next art projects. She loves her cats and her family and loves to hike in the spring. After a long winter in Minnesota, the lake animals and the blooming flowers are a welcome sight. She created Ribbit Lake for RB Studios with all the bright colors of the spring. You can see her doodles reflected in her artwork. Bright sunny days bring us Ribbit Lake. Thank you, Kristen, for being a part of RB Studios.